Welcome back everyone to Block Calls Now e-learning. Today we'll go over step 2 of the training site for regional managers. If this isn't the position you was hired for, or if you didn't go over the first video session, please leave this session. Okay, let's go to the RM confirmation page that you bookmarked last session. If you don't have it, here's the site again. You may pause this video at this time and go to the site and stand by. This is the RM confirmation page. We have a lot to cover in step 2, so let's get started. Alrighty. Step 2. Step 2A, posting employment ads on Craigslist. You have the opportunity to bring on board whomever you see fit, but keep in mind, you want to bring on serious individuals that want to work and be able to follow instructions. It's time to start posting your employment ad on Craigslist. You'll be guided through each step of the way. First step, you go to the Craigslist website, click on city, state of your choice. Under jobs, click marketing, PR/ad, click post. If another city option pops up, click the one of your choice. Next, click job offered, click marketing, advertising, PR, then continue. Okay, so let's go to the site. Okay, in this scenario, I'm going to click Philadelphia. Under jobs, hit marketing, okay. Click post. No other city popped up. Marketing, okay. It's going to cost me $35 to post in Philadelphia for this here. Continue. Okay. Copy and paste everything. Of course, we got to download step 2A, employment ad from the training site. Copy and paste everything from employment ad onto Craigslist after we update all the highlighted information to our information. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, so that downloaded. Okay. Okay. Alright, so everything that's highlighted, we change it to our information, or you change it to your information. I'm just going to do it to mine. Okay, so I'm in Philadelphia, so I'm putting in that zip. I'm going to go down. Anything else that's yellow? Okay, so you put your email address. You put your phone number. And you put your first and last name. Okay, so now it says copy and paste everything in this. So we can do that now. (19107) Okay. When you get to description, copy and paste from the first BR all the way down to the last BR. All this supposed to be in a description box. Okay. First, I'm scrolling down with the scroll button on my mouse. Get it done. Get the job done. Right click, copy. Right click, paste. All right. Okay. At the description, put the remaining information that's on employment ad. Okay. Then I click continue. Alright, put my email address in there. Oh, full time. Okay. Telecommute. My email since I copied it already. Position. Compensation. Company. And then it says show my number. Okay, I'm going to do that. My name, and then, okay, that right there as well. Just like that. Continue. I can move that out the way. On the next screen, do not enter a street, but enter the city based on the zip code you've entered. Okay, so Philadelphia. I hit my tab button to move it over, and then that's when the find came up available, and continue. Uh-oh. Okay. Download photo 1, 2, and 3, and 4 from the training site. Save to your computer, then upload the photos on the next screen. You click done, we're done. Okay, so let's go here. Photo 1. Okay. Photo 2. Photo 3. Photo 4. Okay. That's done. We'll get that ready. Okay. Got that open. Employment photo. Okay. Done with photos. Okay. I'll make this bigger. Your ad supposed to look like this. Okay, you can read it. If you want, you can pause this video at this time to read everything. If you scroll down, it has everything where it's supposed to be. After the person, whoever reads it, this is their first set of instructions. They're supposed to email you their full name, contact number, email address, resume if available, and the best time for the conference call. If your your posting doesn't look like this, click the edit post, go back, fix what needs to be fixed, and then you move forward by clicking continue. Check your email to finish the transaction. As mentioned in Step 1E, you are required to post an employment ad at least twice a month. This is just a minimum requirement. If you want to post multiple ads in different locations more than twice a month, feel free to do so and keep track of your postings. You may also edit the employment ad to your likings, but remember to keep it professional. Follow the next step to move forward. Step 2B, receiving responses. Just to let you know, you can pause this video at this time and go back if you need to go over those steps again. If not, we can move forward. Now that you posted your first employment ad, you should start receiving responses either by email or by phone. Remember to check both on a regular basis. Second step, when you are ready and on the phone with the potential team member, read the short script to move forward. There are 2 scripts, and you will only need to read one of the scripts. If you have a referral link, download script 1. If you have a landing page, download script 2. We can go over each one so you can know what it has on here. It's 1 page for script 1, and this is for referral links. Begin script. You say, of course, once you have the person on the phone with you, "Hello, and thank you for your interest in this lucrative opportunity. This will take just about 5 minutes. Check your email. I sent you a link. Click it." You go ahead and email the person your referral link and wait for him or her to click the link. When he or she confirms that they are at the site, move forward. You say, "Now at the top of the website, click Employment." The site will take you down to another section of the site. Click Get Started Today. The next page, you'll see 2 positions we have available. Read each position in detail and let me know which one is best for you. If you are more of a boss, good with managing a team, and like to train people, EHM will be great for you. If you prefer to have a boss to help you, SMA will be a better choice. Wait for him or her to read each position and make a choice, then move forward. Let them know to pick the right one because there's no changing positions. You say, "Now it's time to complete the online application. Include my name on page 3 of the app." When complete, you'll be redirected to the confirmation page. There you gain access to the training site and W-9 form. Bookmark this page as you'll come back to this. Let me know when you have bookmarked the confirmation page so we can move forward. Wait for him or her to get to the confirmation page. Let them confirm that they see clapping hands then you can move forward. Okay. You say, "Awesome. Next step, at the top of the page, click Pricing. Under the Pro Plan column, click Subscribe. A screen will pop up. Complete the form in its entirety. Make sure you enter your cell phone number with +1 first, no spaces. Once you've completed all fields on the form, click Pay $5.77. After completion, you'll be redirected to the confirmation page. Let me know when you get to this page. Let them confirm that they see the clapping hands, then move forward. You'll say, "There's a final step I need to do on my end to add you to the system. I'm going to work on that now, and once I'm done, you'll receive an email directly from Blog Calls Now with your member ID, referral link, login information, etc. If you have any questions, feel free to call, email, or text me so I can assist. Welcome aboard." Basically, the script is ended. You can answer any questions they may have. Make sure they complete the W-9 form. Make sure they email it to support team because they are not going to get paid if they don't. Okay, so that's for this script here is for people that have the referral link. Okay, so let's download script 2. Script 2 is those that have the landing page. Okay, begin script. Of course, once you are on the phone with the person, you say, "Hello, and thank you for your interest in this lucrative opportunity. This will take just about 2 minutes. Check your email. I sent you a link. Click it. Email him or her your landing page and wait for him to confirm that they are at the page." You say, "This is my personal landing page with blog calls now, and it has step-by-step instructions on how to get started. Read the details about the movement, then complete all steps. Once I receive your text message or email that all steps are complete, I'll then complete my final step to officially add you to the system. When my part is done, you'll receive an email directly from Blog Calls Now with your member ID, referral link, login information, etc. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at your earliest convenience." End script. Now, even though this script is a lot shorter, you can stay on the phone with them until they have completed the first 2 steps, and they don't have to send you a text message because you're already on the phone. So you can just go ahead and let them know you're just going to, do your final step. Okay? All right. Okay. If your potential team member is unable to subscribe at this time, do not proceed to step 2C. Wait until he or she is able to pay the $5.77 subscription under your referral link or landing page, then officially bring them on board by completing step 2C. Step 2C. Bring in new team members on board. This is a final step to get your new team member in the system. You will automatically receive an email confirmation for each person that subscribes to the Pro Plan using your referral link or landing page, so you'll know if each team member completed this step. If you haven't received the email confirmation, do not move forward. Third step. Go to blogcallsnow.com/register. We can do this together. And member ID, put your member ID. And new team member, put your team member's full name with a space. Example, if their name is Tasha Jenkins, put Tasha space Jenkins. In username, put your team member's full name but without the space this time. Okay. If the name is taken, include the number 1. If that's taken, move on to the next number. Don't skip around. Go to the very next number. Okay. In account email and payment email, put your team member's email address. In position, put social media advocate or executive hiring manager. Whatever they completed the app for, you put that in. You can also abbreviate it. EHM. In password and confirm password, put 1 through 9. Okay, you got to check the 2 boxes here. Click register. You'll then see the confirmation page with clapping hands, and you'll receive an email that you have a new member. Uh-oh. The name is already taken. I think I did this several times already. Okay, let me fix this. Oh, there we go. Alrighty. Congratulations, you have successfully brought on board a new team member. Okay, remember to help your team member reach their minimum goal of 5,000 Pro Plan subscriptions. Keep up the good work. All right, so that has been done. Okay, you got the confirmation. Okay, the system will automatically send each team member their welcome email with their referral link, member ID, login information, etc. It is very important that you get all your team members to subscribe to the Pro Plan using your referral link or landing page prior to them getting their own referral link or landing page, because the system will automatically send it to them, and if they're not under you, they can just sign up under themselves. You don't want to not get that credit, so make sure they sign up under you first. Step 4. Send a text or email to each new team member informing them that they are officially added to the system. For everyone you've hired on Mondays through Saturdays, send the following email. Copy and paste the following in the subject line. So you will open up your email, compose, you copy and paste this into the subject line. Okay? Copy and paste everything between the red lines into the body of the email. So you will, from here to there, welcome aboard, right click, copy, and you paste in. Okay? Note, don't forget to change the time to a time that is convenient for you. So this is, if you want to have your sessions on Sundays at 2 p.m., keep it to 2 p.m. And of course, change your, if you're not in Eastern time, zone, you gotta go put it whatever. Okay. Only send one of the links that is in the 4th bullet. Okay, so this is the 4th bullet here. If you just hire a SMA, take this out. Take all that out. Okay. If you just hire a EHM, you take this out. Take that out. Okay. After the email is sent, you are done. Now it's time to put your Zoom meeting skills to work. All right. Step 2D. Onboard training session. At this point, you should have team members. When you bring on board new team members Mondays through Saturdays, remember to inform them about this session on Sundays. Onboard training sessions are held by you on Sundays between the hours of 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. This is mandatory. You can set the session at 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. or 2:30, 1:30, whatever. It's up to you. During this session, here are instructions on how to get the best out of this session. Step 1. The first thing to do is to check the attendance. Call out each person that's supposed to be there so they can say that they are present or not. Mark off those that attended and reach out to those that didn't attend after the session so they can attend next Sunday. Step 2. Individually call each person and encourage them to say a little bit about themselves. Inform them to say what city and state they live in, if they are currently working elsewhere, previous employment information, and will Block House Now be a full-time career for them. Step 3. After everyone has gotten a chance to speak, encourage everyone to participate in the pot drawing. That's in step 3. Provide everyone with your schedule on when you'll do Zoom meetings to help them with the training site or answer any questions they may have. This will be a one-time session for all new team members, so try to complete this before the session time expires. If your session time ends, you must restart another session to give everyone a chance to speak. Follow these steps to move forward. Step 1. You created a Zoom account in step 1R. Go to zoom.com and log into your account. Okay. Okay. Click schedule a meeting or just schedule. Topic, onboard training session. Just put that in there. enter date and time. Okay. I'm going to stick with 2 o'clock p.m. Okay. Duration. Enter your time zone. Member ID, click personal. The security code come up. You can either enter a passcode or use the one that appears. I'm just going to use that one. Waiting room is not checked off. Video host off. Participant off. And click save. Okay, I'm not going to click save because I don't want to do that right now. But after you click save, the next screen, it will take you to the calendar. If you want to put it in your calendar to remind yourself, that would be great. Or you can skip it. Copy your invitation link. Click start. Email that link to your team members and proceed with the session on your scheduled time. When the onboard training session is complete, feel free to allow your team members to share their experiences and stories, as it could help others along the way. Onboard training sessions are mandatory, so inform your team members to attend. Step 2E. It is your job to keep your team members motivated, as the more team members your EHMs receive and the active program subscriptions your SMAs and EHMs receive, the more likely they will stay an active program subscriber themselves. Remember, you are paid per month for all active Pro Plan subscriptions you get on the first tier and all active Pro Plan subscriptions your team members get on the second tier. So it will be in your best interest to keep your team members motivated and excited to reach their minimum goal requirements. Okay. Step 2F. Work from home YouTube video. Now it's time to get noticed on YouTube. Create your own work from home video and upload it to your YouTube channel. This video is a plus because now you can explain in detail about the movement, how we should all stick together, download and use the app, how to spread the word so others can do the same, and make residual income while doing so. We have to stop these international scammers for good. Your video has to stand out and be awesome. There are many work from home job videos on YouTube. Yours will appear there too. Follow these instructions to move forward. Find a nice room in your home to do the video. Stage the room. Make sure it's clean, bright, and comfortable. Option to use flashcards, posters, or if you have a chalkboard laying around or in storage, use it. Be creative. There's no need to spend any money. If you don't have a camera or a webcam on your computer, simply use your cell phone. Okay? First part of the video. Start your video with an introduction. You can say the following. Hi everyone. This video will show you the easiest career in the world. This is a must-see. Get paid to spread the word. Okay? Remember to name your video Work from Home with, of course, your name, so it can be listed with the rest of the Work from Home videos. Second part of the video. Explain the movement. You can pause this video at this time to read everything that's in red. This is an example. You can say this in your video or you can use your own words. Part 3 of the video. Talk about the position, duties, requirements, pay scale, and pay scale calculations. You can even add a calculator over here in the corner. You can just, explain all this in details. At this point, you can pause the video to read this, get a good understanding. You can say exactly this if you choose to. You can use the same scenario or you can use a different scenario. Totally up to you. Part 4 of the video. Talk about how to apply using your referral link or landing page. You can pause this video at this time to read this. You can copy and paste it, study it, however way you want to do it. Of course, take this out, put your landing page or referral link, and also put your contact number in, and go from there. Again, what to say in red above is just an example. You can use the words in red above, or you can say your own words. It is best to write it down though, so if you need to copy and paste and open up a Microsoft Word document and just rehearse it and then record, that would be better. But it's your choice. If you decide to say your own words, go to the movement video right here to study the video in order to have an idea on what to say, or you can just pick and choose what you want to say out of the words above. Remember to speak clear. Leave your referral link or landing page and your contact information at the end of your video, and also leave it at in the post so others can always have access to it. If you are able to keep your referral link or landing page at the bottom of your video during the entire video, that will be a plus. Okay. Let's scroll down here. Okay. After your video is complete, upload it to your YouTube channel, follow the steps to make it live, then copy and save your new video link. You can now include your new video link on all your business cards and include your video link on all your postings. After you've completed the above steps, go to this site right here to buy YouTube views and YouTube subscribers. Pretty much everyone does this to get their video out there. When you see 50,000 plus views, they didn't get this number on their own or because their video is that amazing. 9 times out of 10, they paid for the service, which is nothing wrong. Absolutely normal to do. So now you can do the same thing and get your video out there. Once you have 1,000 YouTube subscribers, you can get monetized, then YouTube will start paying you. The minimum requirements are here. You can pause the video at this time to read the YouTube's minimum requirements to see if you're eligible. Okay. You can get detailed information on how to get monetized on YouTube, but for now, focus on creating an awesome YouTube video, then reaching the minimum requirements above. This is another way to make great money, so you should really look into this to be successful. When this process is complete and your first video is getting more and more likes and subscribers, this means you are spreading the word and making great residual income with Blog Cost Now and with YouTube. You have the options to make a second video if you want to, create a third video, maybe demonstrate how the app works. The sky's the limit. It's totally up to you. Step 2G. High quality leads. Lead Power is a company that offers real-time short-form leads, fresh telephone interview leads. These leads are from people that are looking for an MLM, affiliate program, or home-based business. These people have been personally spoken to by one of the company's call center staffs, so their contact numbers are good. Each person responded to a few questions and stated that they want more information along with providing a good time to call. The company is offering 10 free leads when you sign up, so you'll be able to test the leads out prior to buying more. To get your free 10 leads, go to leadpower.net. When you get these leads, it is best to send an email first with details about the golden opportunity, then pick up the phone and call each lead to confirm that they received your email. Once you have the person on the phone, simply follow step 2B and step 2C to proceed. Okay. Step 2H, mailers. Mailers are an awesome way to reach more people, areas that are not in your community, anywhere nationwide. There are 2 ways to do mailers. You can buy a list and pay a one-time fee for the list of leads, or you can pay a monthly fee and get unlimited leads. first, we'll walk you through how to pay for a one-time list of leads. Follow these instructions to move forward. First step, download Postcard 1 and 2, which is front and back, and save to your desktop. For Postcard 1, right-click, hover over, open with, then click on Paint and replace the link to your referral link or landing page. We've done this several times before, so you should know how to do this by now, but we can briefly go through it real fast. Okay, so postcard front, save image as, okay, postcard back, save image as, okay, right click, hover over with, paint. Okay, so that's too big. View, zoom out, home. Since the background is already white, I'm gonna leave that. I'll just show you real fast again. Copy that. Remove his name. Oh, I left some extra stuff there. Click that. And you type in your landing page. Okay, so that's for that one. For the back, it says postcard, edit postcard with your name and address on the top left, and removing the mailing address lines. Okay, so this is how you do this one. Hover over, paint. Okay. Zoom out. Select rectangular. Okay, just you copy and paste this out, and you put your name and address here, just like how that was before we removed it. So after you put that in there, back to select and rectangular section, and just hit cut. Just get that out. This will be the return label if you bought labels, but you don't have to buy labels because you put in your name and stuff, you typing that in. Here will be the address labels. So when you get the address labels, the leads we're buying, that's where their names go. If you want, you can move this over. This is a little awkward right there, like that. Okay, so that's how that will go. Save both and close out. You're ready to move to the next step. Okay, second step. Okay, go to exactdata.com. Let's go now. Make this a little smaller. On the left side, under audience, click people. Under people, click name and address. Oh, okay, so you can fill this out to save. You want 15% off of your order. That will be great. Okay, oh my gosh, all these pop-ups. Okay. Okay, so audience, people, name, business. Okay, that's all there. Okay, okay, so zip, cities. Okay, so just put in a city. Okay. At the bottom, okay, click demographics. Okay, let's go down. Demographics right there. Take us back to the top. Okay, so 18 is 60. 18 is already in there. 60, okay. Go back to the top. Okay, 60. Back to top. Okay, I click this. I type in. Okay. Heavy catalog buyer. Got that. Scroll down. Choose quantity. Okay, it's going to take me over here. Yeah, I'm not spending $5,000 on a lead, so let's change that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, $99.99. Okay, the lowest is 90. So if you do 1,000, $90. If you do 100, it's still $90. That's crazy. Okay. I want 1,000 leads. Okay, you click buy this list. Okay, click that. And of course, you go with the proceed with that, check out and register. Okay, so these are the leads you'll be getting. You know, you got the name, address, city, state, zip. That will go in the address side on the back of the what I showed you earlier. Okay. If you prefer to register first prior to getting your leads, feel free to do so. If you don't want all the leads to be in the same area, add more cities and states or zip codes. And remember to put 1111 or just 1,000 back in the box so your price of $90 or $99.99 will remain the same. And of course, remember to fill out that discount so it'll be less. Third step, recap. Your postcards has been updated and now you have, let's say, 1,000 leads. You're almost ready for mailing. Complete the next step to move forward. Option 1. You can either go to vistaprint.com to order your postcards. Simply upload the front and back of the postcard that we just updated, then place your order. Option 2. You can go to Office Max or Staples, or if they have a Kinko's or anything like that, give them your postcard front and back on a USB external drive, and then they can go ahead and create the postcards. They can even mail it for you. They can do a lot. It might cost a little bit more, but it's up to you. It's an option. Okay. Option 3. If you have a printer, you can purchase postcard paper and print them yourself. Okay. Next are labels. Okay. In this scenario, you just bought 1,000 leads, so you're going to need 1,000 labels. You can go online and buy a couple packs of labels. You can go to Walmart, Office Max, Staples, Kinko's, wherever. Whatever is cheaper, you can go from there. Okay. The next step is postcard stamps. You will have to go to the post office and buy 1,000 postcard stamps. Remember to let them know that you want postcard stamps because the regular stamps are more expensive. You are all set. Now you can put the stamps and the labels on your postcards, then mail them. You'll see that mailers are a very lucrative way to spread the word. Eventually, you'll want to go with a monthly plan, getting unlimited leads, and hire an assistant to help you. So if you're like, I say, if you met your minimum goal of 5,000 Pro Plan subscriptions, that's 5,000 a month minimum. So paying $100 a month will not put a dent in that. Even if you're at 1,000 a month or whatever, it's still a good option. Okay. So, the monthly plans, Data Exile Genie they charge $100 a month for unlimited leads. And that's if you pay monthly. That's with the consumer package. However, if you sign up annually, it will average to $79 a month, but you got to pay 79 times 12 up front. So, whatever is best for you, you can determine from there. Okay. Step 2I, Facebook employment groups. Here's another amazing way to spread the word to millions of people on Facebook. There are thousands of employment groups in every state. Some may even have several employment groups in certain cities. The goal is to join a minimum of 10 employment groups in each state, totaling 500 groups. Follow these steps to move forward. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. At the top of the page or on the left side, click Groups. Start with any state of your choice, of course. In this example, we're going to start with New York. In the search bar, type Employment in New York, then click Enter. Groups will appear. Click See All. View all groups. For this state, there is a lot. Pick 10 groups that have the most members by clicking Join Group. You may pick more groups if you choose to. Click each group one at a time, as you may get a pop-up with questions. Answer honestly so you can get approved. Once you join at least 10 groups in New York, move to the next step. Step 2. When you are ready to start posting to these groups, do the following. Download Step 2I flyer from the training site, save to your computer. Right-click, hover over, open with, then click Paint. Change the landing page to your landing page or referral link, and change the video link to your new video that you created in the previous step. Make sure you change color 1 to turquoise and color 2 to black. View screenshot. Okay. Alright. Let's download it real fast so I can show you this. Okay, this is the flyer. Awesome. Okay. Okay. Right click, hover over, open with, paint. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out. Alright, so based on this, color 1 is turquoise, so that's color 1. Remember we went here last time? Went here and that, and then color 2 is black. Alright, so all you got to do now is same thing from before. Click the first one, rectangular option. Cut that, and then you put your website in, your landing page or referral link. And then if you want to change this, if you didn't do the video from previous step, you're not ready for it to do that yet, just leave it there. I don't want to leave it blank. But if you did, same thing, go back to this and you just take that out, and you can go ahead and put your new link in there. If you don't want it to be turquoise, you want it to be white again, you can change it white or yellow, whatever you want. Okay. Save the flyer and close out. Click groups again at the top or left side and this will take you to the main page. You'll see all the groups you've joined on the left. Click the first group. Click discussion if it's not already selected. Click write something and type in your landing page or referral link. Since you can't make the flyer a hyperlink, adding your landing page or referral link will be very smart to do, so others can just click the link instead of typing in the link from looking at the flyer. Click photo/video. Drag and drop your flyer that you just edited. Click post. Move on to the next group in line and repeat these steps. Once you've posted in all New York groups, the ones that you joined, at least the 10 groups, move on to the next state and repeat these steps. Every day you should pick a state, join at least 10 groups, then post your flyer. 50 states, 50 days equals 500 groups and 500 postings. Once you have completed this task, do it again and again, and even add more groups to each state. Step 2I is free to do, so you have nothing to lose and new team members to gain. You may also post the videos you've created and this flyer on LinkedIn. Simply post each video and the flyer with your landing page or referral link once a day, as well as connecting to more people every day to build your network. Step 2J, things to remember. Here's just a recap of the things to remember to help you be successful. Remember to spread the word every day. Follow the training site every day. Download the app and use all its wonderful features what it has to offer. Remember to email our support team to be added to the lead rotation and to be able to get website leads. Remember to go to blogcallsnow.com/register to get all your new team members in the system. Remember to log in to Talk.to to take live chat leads. Remember to inform all your team members to email their W-9 form to blogcallsnow.com support team. Okay? Tell them don't email it to you. Tell them to email it to our support team. Always post Craigslist ads at least twice a month to generate potential team members. Get new team members subscribed to the Pro Plan under your referral link or landing page prior to fully adding them to the system. Always conduct weekly, bi-weekly, and or monthly Zoom meetings with your team members to keep them motivated and to help them with any questions they may have. Never forget to do step 2C, as your team members will never get in the system unless you complete step 2C. Never have your potential team members complete step 2C, third step, on their own. Never send them the link blogcallsnow.com/register for completion. Never. This site is for you only. Last but not least, never cancel your auto-renew subscription, as you do not want to be deleted from the system and lose all your Pro Plan subscriptions that's in your pipeline. Remember, if this ever occurs, you will have to reapply and start all over from scratch. Okay, this completes step 2. Feel free to go back, go over some steps if you need to, totally up to you. I want to thank you for watching this video session. Complete all that is needed in step 2. Post your ads, study the scripts, role play with someone if you can, etc. Then move forward to watch the next video session. Have a blessed rest of your day.